Alright, so you just got your brand new Pixel 5. You're hyped, you're excited, you want to dig in and use it, but you go on YouTube, you look up what are some of the first things you should be doing with your Pixel device. You've come to the right video. I've got you. So, on this year's Pixel, we've got a fingerprint reader right on the back where it belongs. I absolutely love it, but did you know that you can use it for more than just unlocking your device? Go ahead and go into your settings, and we're gonna go ahead and search for gestures. Tap on it, and let's go ahead and make sure that swipe fingerprint for notifications is ticked on. Now, you don't have to reach up super far for your notification shade. You can literally just swipe down and boom, swipe down. It's a little gimmicky, it takes a second to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, it works incredibly well, and I absolutely love this feature. Now next, let's go ahead and add a bit of style to your device. Make it yours, make it your own. And good news is, you don't have to install any third-party apps or anything like that. All you gotta do is simply tap and hold on the display. Go ahead and tap Styles and Wallpapers. Now from here, we can go ahead and pick any wallpaper we want. They got some really cool like live universe wallpapers. I really like this one right here. Go ahead and apply that to both the home screen and the lock screen. Now you already knew that. This is cool, it moves, it looks nice. But to further customize things, we go ahead and tap into Style. Now here, you get a bunch of presets. We're gonna go ahead and click into Customize. Now here we can change a bunch of things. Things like the font. I really like this kind of bold font that we have here. You can change things like your icon and the way that they're displayed. I really like this, I don't know, which one do I like? I don't know, we'll go with this one for now. And then on top of that, you can go ahead and pick the color for your notification icons. We'll do a brown and then the shape. So you can do a bunch of weird funky stuff here. We're just gonna go ahead and go with the classic circle shape. You can go ahead and name it and hit apply, and just like that, things are a bit different, and it just adds a bit of personality. Really love this. Alright, to further customize our device and make it just look better overall and actually squeeze a bit more juice out of that battery, I recommend enabling dark theme. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is go into your settings and simply search for dark theme. It'll pop up. Just make sure it's ticked on, and just like that, everything looks so much better. And this changes everything from your notification shade to your dialer, just everything. I really love how dark theme looks, and everyone should be using it. Alternatively, you could go in there and tick it off if you want to be blinded every time you turn on your display. Now, I absolutely love gesture controls. They're super fluid, everything just feels natural. However, if you're not used to it, or you really just don't like navigation controls, then you can go back to that old 3-button layout. Don't worry, I got you. All you gotta do is go into your settings. Up top, search your settings for nav, tap on it, tap on system navigation, and right there we have the 3-button navigation layout. That'll give you your back button, your recent apps, and your home button. I'm not gonna enable that because I really love gestures, but if you want it, there you go. Super easy to enable. All right, so the Pixel 5 is blazing fast. We all know this, but did you know that we can make it feel even faster? Simply go into your settings, go down to About Phone, scroll all the way down, you're gonna see build number. You're gonna tap on that 5 times to become a developer, or to enable developer options. You can see that we already got it enabled. So now all you gotta do is go back and simply search for developer options. Tap on it. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna scroll down and select Force 90 Hertz refresh rate. Tick that on, and I can show you right here. If we tick on show refresh rate, you can see it's 90 right here. If we tick this off, you'll see it'll fluctuate between 60 and 90, and it'll do that throughout your time using the Pixel. So I like to just go ahead and force it on, and that way it's always running as fast and fluid as it can. We got the 90 Hertz out of the way, but if you want to make your device feel even faster, just a bit more snappy overall when you're going into your app drawer and things like that. There's 3 options we can change. Stay in developer options. What we're looking here for is window animation, transition animation, and animator duration. So we're gonna change all those to 0.5, or if you want a bit more snappy feel, go ahead and turn them off. Now, just like that, things feel a bit more fluid. I don't know how to explain it. The animation is just a bit more fast. If you turn them off, you won't see it. It'll just pop up. You won't see that kind of animation of it sliding up. Anyway, it's a great way to just speed up an old device or make your new device feel a bit more snappy. Let's be honest here. One of the biggest reasons you've probably purchased your Pixel 5 is for the incredible cameras, that or the low price point. But let's just focus on those cameras. Make sure you're taking advantage of all the dope camera modes on your Pixel 5. My favorite being astrophotography mode, which will allow you to take some incredible night shots of the sky and capture things that your eyes can't even see. Next time you're out in the dark, go ahead and go into your camera, go into night sight, and just go ahead, turn it around, point it towards the sky, let the magic happen. You also want to mess with the time scales right here. I recommend 2x, especially if you have a tripod or somewhere you can prop it up. You need it to be super smooth. You can't have any shakiness or your photos won't turn out good, but give that a shot next time you're out in the dark. All right, so I got a simple but crucial tip here. With the Pixel 5 and a lot of other phones, Android veterans might already know this one and a few of the other tips we've thrown out, but for you freshies coming over from your iPhones and whatnot, well, I guess just iPhones, BlackBerry got, but yeah, from coming over from iPhone, don't miss those precious moments, you know, by having to unlock your device and then search for your camera app and all that. All you have to simply do is double tap your power button. That'll open up the camera app and take you straight into it. It's just a cool way to get into your phone, super fast. All right, so I got a little bonus tip for those of you that have stuck around for this entire video. If you did, by the way, go ahead, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video so far. But have you ever just been walking around and you hear a song and you just hate not knowing what's playing? Well, the Pixel 5 can tell you exactly what song it is and who the artist is. All you have to do is go into your settings, tap on search settings and search for now playing. This is a fantastic feature. Just make sure it's ticked on. Now, anytime a song is playing, it'll display on your lock screen down at the bottom. One of my favorite features here with the Pixel lineup. Now, some of you might not know that the Pixel 5 has wireless charging. I know it's an aluminum back. Usually aluminum back phones don't allow charging. They've done some wizardry here. They cut out something and overlaid some sort of material on it. But yes, get yourself a wireless charger. Get one for in the car, get one for in the bathroom, for in the kitchen, get one for every place in your house, and just start setting your phone down, wirelessly charging. You'll never actually have to charge your device again. Wireless charging is one of my favorite features on any phone. It's great. Get yourself some wireless chargers. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you guys did enjoy it, you know, drop a like, subscribe, share the video. Also leave me a comment. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.